If you've been wondering what pancake is a flat cake, often thin and round, prepared from a starch-based batter. It contains eggs, milk, butter or margarine, and any flavor of your choice. In this video, I will show you how to make something different from normal plain pancake. I'm going to make orange pancake. They are very delicious and super fluffy. Pancake is my weekend to go when I want something delicious and easy. Quick fix for breakfast. If you are looking for something easy to fix for breakfast, then you are good to go. Go for pancake. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing video. It was a good Sunday and I'm about to leave for church. On today's video, I've mentioned I'm going to show you how I make soft and fluffy, delicious orange pancake. Feel welcome to my new subscribers and those who are about to subscribe, and let's get started. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. I will leave the exact measurements and the ingredients in the description box below. Check on it. I will use self-raising flour 1.5 cup, sugar 2 tablespoons. Mix them well, then make a well. To have a fluffy pancake, you have to use some eggs. I will use 2 eggs, the large eggs. Just crack your egg in there. This is a quick fix. Remember, we have no time to do things separate. Then adding some orange essence. We are making orange pancake. And whisk and add your milk. This is a lukewarm milk. Gradually, you can use buttermilk if you wish. It makes a very fluffy pancake. If you don't have buttermilk, you can add some lemon and make your buttermilk, or just add some lemon zest in your butter for acid to activate the leveling agents, and you will end up with a very super fluffy pancake. Adding your milk gradually is very important so that you don't end up with the runny butter. Just whisk it, or can even use a spatula. Mix it until there's no lumps. When making an orange cake, you need to have a fresh orange. So I will zest my orange. I need that orange zest. And I will also use the juice so that we get the authentic orange taste. This is just a peel of one orange. Actually, it's less than a teaspoon. And I will add some lemon zest too. I love the mixture. It tastes awesome. Try it and bring your feedback. If you combine these two, you will have the best taste of your pancake. Just zest the outer part. Don't go to the white skin. That one will make your butter bitter. This one I'm just going for half a teaspoon. And that's it. Put it aside and then let's juice our orange. Guys, if you're coming across my video for the first time, kindly consider subscribing if you find this video useful or you like what you're seeing and you'd wish to see many of my recipe. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to hit that like button. I've added my orange juice. I forgot to flame it. It's about a quarter cup. I'm adding melted margarine and mix to combine well with the butter. Just give it a good mix. And my butter is ready. In my pan, I'm adding just to grease the pan. I don't need oil here. Remember, I've added some melted butter there, so I will not use oil. This is just to grease the pan. And if you're using a non-stick, it's not necessary, though my granite is scratched a little bit. That is why I've added the oil. The oil was too much. I've just reduced it. You can see it's not more. Then I'll add my butter. Unfortunately, I realized my butter is too thick. This is not what I wanted. So you remember we left some milk. I'm going to add it to my butter to get the right consistency. Then I'll be back. The thick butter is not bad, but for this recipe, I don't want it thick. If you like it thick, you can as well do it. Watch the video up to the end so that you know the difference. It's coming out nicely. Look at the color. It has brown well. Nice brown. And it has cooked evenly. So I've adjusted my butter. This is what I was looking for. Once you pour it in your pan, just swirl it. Take your pan to 360 degree. Ensure your butter covers the whole pan. And once you start seeing these bubbles, that means it has started drying out and even the edges are turning color. It shows that it's ready to be flipped. So just flip the other side and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Look at how our pancake is looking. Nice brown, golden brown. And it smells heavenly here. It's ready and well cooked. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. And the orange zest, well, we'll continue with this process until all our butter is finished. Once you've seen the bubbles, flip it over, just as easy as that. It's coming out nicely. And remember, we are cooking these pancakes on medium-low heat. Once your pan is hot, don't use high flame. It will burn your pancake from the outside and not cook evenly. This is lovely. It's beautiful. The process continues until all our pancake is done. And it's so quick. Just swirl it 360 degree. And that's it. And these pancakes you can eat anytime, but me, I consider them mostly for breakfast, and I can eat like even 6 of them. I don't get enough of it, though it's very fulfilling. If you've watched my video up to this point, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Support this channel. Help me grow. And feel free to leave me a comment. Give me that thumbs up so that the YouTube family can push it to more audience. Thank you. It was nice hanging out with you people. I don't take your subscription and your support for granted. And my pancake is all done. Go try this recipe at home. And if you try it, kindly bring your feedback in the comment section. I will be glad to know how yours stand out. If you don't have a self-raising flour, you can use all-purpose flour and add some baking powder. Thank you, and my pancake is well done. I will see you in my next. Bye bye. Toodles.